Walang laman ang sona niya. Walang laman.
Ganito inilarawan ng dating presidential consultant na si Jose Alejandrino ang ikatlong State of the Nation address o sona ni Bongbong Marcos Jr.
The corruption is our number one problem in this country. That's why they have to keep borrowing money. Why? Because a big chunk of our national budget goes to corruption. The one thing that was missing is that Bongbong did not talk of corruption. He did not offer any measures on how to curb corruption. He was silent on it. Why, I ask myself. That is our number one problem. Why did you not talk about measures that you are taking to curb corruption? Alam mo lahat ito, walang laman ang sona niya. Walang laman.
Panghuli ay ang pagtaas ng krimen sa bansa.
Crime. Forbes magazine in July 2024 said, Forbes magazine, Manila is the 5th riskiest city for tourists in the world.
Anya kung matutuloy-tuloy ang pagsasawalang bahala ng Marcos administration sa mga pangunahing issue ng bansa, kagaya ng mga nabanggit, ay patuloy na tataas ang krimen sa Pilipinas.
Yes, of course. You know, when the crime rate will only worsen when the poverty and hunger increases. You know, because the people are fighting to survive. All right? So they will tell themselves, I'll take the risk of stealing or robbing. Because anyway, if I die, I will die anyway of poverty and hunger, okay? They have no choice.